So yes, I was recording this minute. So next, there were some people who will be using irrigation, like for tomato crops, like you can find in tomato crops, they will be using for irrigation. Okay, for 1 acre, you can take 160 ml. And for fertilizer, fertilizer is nothing but like they farmers will be bringing some products from outside for growth and for fungus and etc. things. For such type of things, you can use like 2 to 3 ml, right? You can take a seeds, right? 2 to 3 ml per kg, like that. So this is the dosage of Agri 82, and it can be mixed with anything. Okay, so the MRP will be 440 and the DP will be 377. And we are getting in three types of packs. 300 ml pack we are having, 500 ml pack we are having, and 5 liter pack also we are having. So this is Agri 82. So coming to the next, you can remember as keyword gum. Okay. Coming to the next thing, Agri humic. See, it's nothing but a growth. If you want to give growth to crop, any crop, it may be a sugar cane, it may be a tomato, it may be a paddy, it may be anything, any plant, any crop. If you want growth, then you need to mix Agri humic. And I want to tell you, I want you people to see this picture. See, Agri humic, there was a thing that liquid bottle. This liquid bottle has a 66% of humic substance. And Agri humic granules we are having in the solid form. We will be having 1.5% of humic substance. What this humic substance will do? I'll tell you. So the ingredients was presented in this humic acid is that humic acid, fulvic acid, and humic. This boosts the growth of the crop. See, actually, there will be some substances and minerals and nutritions to grow the crop. See, as like we will be taking a protein powder, right? You may remember that Complan. So, why we will drink the Complan? So, when we drink Complan, we will think that we will become a height. Why? Because doctor scientists they will be telling that whatever the body requires the nutrition, if I can provide the nutrition to our body, automatically growth will happen. So that is what the thing will do. Same thing, it's like a complan for crops. For any type of crop, it's like a complan. Okay, humic is nothing but a complan. And there are two types of humics. Actually, both are same only, but we are getting in liquid form one and solid form one. Why solid form? Initially, we cannot use solid for the land. So they will be using urea. It's like equivalent to urea only. This agri granules. And humic liquid is a thing that we can use after once the crop grows. I'll tell you when to use, how to use, and all these things. And what it will do after using humic to our crop, what happens, it provides the nutrition what the crop requires. And next, it will improve the soil texture. See, actually, I want to tell you everyone that earthworm is the thing that if it is in our lands, the land fertility will be very good. But you know what, do you ride a bike in highway, do you ride a bike in normal roads, in city roads? And there are also mud roads, right? When you're riding bike in mud roads, you'll go very slow. When you're riding bike in highways, you'll go very fast. Why you're driving your bike and highways very fast, and why you're driving in mud roads very slow? That means the road was very nice and so much smooth so that you can drive very faster, right, in highways. Similarly, when earthworm, if it wants to move here and there, the soil texture should be very smooth, right? If it is very hard, what happens? The earthworm cannot move here and there. If it moves all over the crop, what happens? Our land fertility will be improved a lot. So that's what this humic will be done for sand, right? Soil texture will be improved and the smoothness will be improved. When smoothness is improved, earthworm can be transferred, right? It can be traveled all over the crops. So then automatically the soil texture will be improved. When soil texture is improved, automatically roots will go deep down. When roots get deep down, automatically nutrition get attacked. See, one concept over here, as much as root will go down, that much nutrition will be getting through the plant. When nutrition is getting to the plant, automatically the roots will give the boost up to the growth. So this is how it works. That's it. Okay, this is for growth, any type of crop which is coming from the land, right? So and also it improves the quality of the grains and fruits also. So how will be the dosage? See, some everyone like first stage they'll be using seeds. If they want to mix with seeds, they can take 5 to 10 ml per kg and they can mix the seeds with the humic acid. And for root, they can use for 2 to 4 ml per liter. And soil application 500 to 600 ml per acre. And if you want to use for spray, 2 to 4 ml per liter. Okay guys, if you doesn't understand this dosage, what is seed treatment, what is root treatment, what is soil application, please do search in Google in your language, whatever you want. So either Hindi or Kannada or wherever you want. Because why means it can't be explained in English. When you're understanding in your own language, you'll be getting understand perfectly. Because initially, when I was attending agri trainings, there is only two. I think so. Only one training when I was attending the training right before lockdown. I attended Hindi agri training. I'm not able to getting anything, but still I was attended. I recorded everything meet and I just go on and played in front of the Google thing. Okay, Google. So it was got translate little bit like that. I have learned because there is a depth knowledge we need to understand in our mother tongue only. So I'll be sharing this PPT also later. You can convert into your own language. So this is what the thing. And next thing is that Agri Protect. See, now you people understood for gum, and now you people got understood for growth. Every crop required growth, you got answer for the growth. Now there is a farmer is getting worried lot. You know why farmers will get more money, will expenditure will be more for their crops? Because of this fungus. Because of this fungus, farmer will get more expenditure. And you know what? And farmers cannot define when it comes. I will tell you when fungus will occur. Fungus will occur when the climate changes. It's similar to our cold and fever. When we will be getting cold and fever? When weather changes suddenly. And for some people, they won't be getting cold and fevers when weather changes. For some people, they will get. Why? Because of lack of immunity. When there is a lack of immunity, automatically that person will get affected with cold and fever. When the person is having immunity, he won't be affected with fever and cold. Similarly, our crop also, when the suddenly weather changes, it will be attacked with fungus. But what our protect does, this protect will give you immunity. Like how spirulina will give immunity to our body, similarly, protect will give immunity to our crop. When immunity is increased in the crop, fungus will not be attacked. Okay, actually what does it do, how it works, I'll tell you. See people, see guys, when protect is using, we can use it as a seed treatment. See, previously there was like, previously I think so they will be cultivated one crop and they will be harvested and again they will start using new crop. Before using that crop they can use this, because why they have to use it initially only means, because whatever the fungus was presented in the land, it will be get died because of this. And next thing is that once after crop grows, it gives immunity. Once we do spray of this, automatically the immunity get increases. So it just gives immunity to our crop so that it can't be attacked with the fungus. When immunity power is more, when even though weather changes, you will not get cold and fever. Similarly, when you are giving protect to your this crop, automatically it boosts the immunity of the crop. It won't be affected with fungus when the climate changes. Fungus will come only when climate changes, and where farmers expenditure will be more in this fungus only. So this is one more thing. And once you spread this 1 or 2 times maximum, if you're using this too for your crop, what happens, you know, you will never, until unless it will get harvested, you won't be getting affected with fungus. That's the best thing we can give the solution, where the farmer really get attracts over here. And the dosage will be, again I'm telling you, for seeds, if you want to mix with seeds, right, you can use 10 to 15 grams. See, when you are giving for seeds only treatment, what happens, you know, from the initially only it will be perfect. And root dipping, folio spray, cereal crops, right, these are the different things where we using in different crops. You just go and search in Google in your own language. Okay, so this is one more thing. And next product we are having is that Agri-Moss. You need to keep remembering the flowering. Flowering means what? Not rose flower or jasmine flower. Flowering means every crop, when they want to get output, the flowering should become. When flowering is occurred, automatically what happens? The profit will be increased. The farmer profit will be dependent on the flowering. That means what happens when flowering will be getting more, the farmer's profit will be more. So what Agri-Moss will do? Actually, there was an ingredients present in this Agri-Moss is called amino acids. How these amino acids will work in the crops? Any type of crop, mango, right, flowers, fruits, right, grains, any type of thing, it should require flowering. before it gives output, right? What happens is that it gives a fertility to the plants, and it can gives the reproduction to the plants too. And also the flowers and fruit, particularly this is very much highlighted in the flowers and fruits. What happens is that every farmer is having a problem in flowers and fruits. Who are having the farms, those people are having that, they'll get flowers and fruits. What happens, suddenly, I mean, due to weight or something else, it will fall down. But what our agri moss will do, it will make to stitch with the plant itself, so until unless the exact time comes. So it gives a power to stick with the plant, and also it gives more flowering, so that it can be produced more output. The more output comes, the more profit the farmer gains. So it will be the profit decider, right? So for vegetables, there is different type of dosage. For flower plants, you are having different types of storage. For fruits and other types of crops, you are having different type of storage. And the best time to use this agri moss is that you can ask the farmer when will be the flowering will occur. They'll tell that after 2 weeks, right? Before 2 weeks of the flowering, you need to use this product. Timing is very much important. I'll tell you when to use, how to use at the last, for your brief information, right? This is agri moss, which will give the more flowering. You can remember keyword as a flowering. Next thing is that nanotech. Nanotech itself, you are having in the name itself, it's a nanotechnology. Initially I have told you that for human body we require 46 type of nutrients. Similarly, for plant it requires 16 types of nutrients to give a good crop, right? So what this nanotech will do, it gives 16 types of nanonutrients. I have presented in under the picture of the nanotech one. There was a basic nutrients called carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Primary nutrition called nitrogen and phosphorus and potassium. Secondary nutrients called calcium, magnesium, sulfur. And safe ingredients boron, xanthan, iron, copper, manganese, chlorine, and molybdenum. These are the 16 types of nanonutrients are presented in this nanotech. And how does it will work on the crops? And when should it be used? I'll tell you. Guys, it's just a nano fertilizer. It gives again a fertility, a good soil fertility, and makes the, see, when the root is getting dipped down, you can observe in my video, I am showing that when the roots are getting dipped down step by step, when it was going down, what happens is that there should be some nutrition should be get attacked. But you know what? Soil will be from here to, it will be like this. The land will be like this. In some places there will be a lot of nutrition. In some places there will be no nutrition only, because that's why when for every village there will be a soil test, right? Agriculture officers will be going and doing a soil test, and accordingly that whatever the lack will be there, in some places potassium will be less, in some places nitrogen will be less, in some places calcium will be less, like because of that they'll tell them to purchase that particular thing outside. But our nanotech, what it will do, when you are spraying this nanotech, it will make the land equal. That means entire land will be giving the 16 types of nutrition, so that entire land will be, right, entire land will be getting 16 types of nutrition to the land. When the land is getting 16 types of nutrition, what happens is the automatically the crop will get a good nutrition to for growth, and the crop will get a strong power, and the crop will get a strong immunity, and the crop will give a nice output, and the crop will be amazing. I can tell you that this is a king of the agriculture output. The crop whatever you're using, the agriculture, it will be a output, the output whatever they're getting, this will be a king, this will be a decider, this will be an output decider. The flowering is an, right, agri moss is an initiator of the output, and this is the concluder of the output, right? This nanotech will give the proper nutrition. See why? Because you can observe in paddy crops, when paddy crops grow very much height, what happens, and by the end after 3 months or 4 months, what happens here, that because of that weight, it can't bear that weight, what happens, it will suddenly fall down. When it falls down, that is loss. But what this nanotech will do, this will give a strong power under the roots, so that it cannot fall. Even the weight will be more, it won't make the crop to fall. So such base power will be given through nanotech, and it will make land equal with nutrition. So this is the nanotech will perform. And even here dosage will be different. For vegetables there will be different dosage, for fruits and flowers and grains there will be different types of dosages will be presented here, right? And next thing is that agri gold. So what does it will do? I can tell you that this agri gold is like a mixture of agri nanotech and protech. This is a mixture of Agri, Nanotech, and Protect. What Nanotech and Protect will do, the both combination, what output will be given, this one thing can be given. Agri Gold is a thing that I can tell you that it can give a good strong root. And also what happens, it will be a magical combination of bio ingredients. So you know what, once you have used Agri Gold for your crop, the crop result will be highly different. You know what, that person will get such an output that where no person will not, no one will be getting that. And it will prevent from the damages, it will prevent from the fungus, it gives a good quality crops. And you know what, the yield, when the yielding time comes, it will give a lot of output, the maximum it can rise the output. What happens is, this gold, it's having some metabolic activities, it will be presented, and it will having a different type of nutrition which can be given for growth. And it can be also called as a spirulina, right? Spirulina is giving entire vitamins to our body whatever we require, and also it improves the blood. Similarly, even plants will be having a blood. You know what, plants also will be having a blood, but we can't be seen. I can tell you that, like, every leaf, you can observe that there will be some small lines, tiny lines. That's nothing but like a blood. And you know what, the nutrition will be passed through that line to the leaf. That entire line nutrition, like I'll tell you in a simple way, in our body we are having blood vessels, right? The blood vessels, if your blood quality is good, then our organs will be good, yes or not? If our blood quality is good, automatically our body organs will be good, because blood is pumping to the heart, to the kidney, to the liver, to everything, brain, legs, everywhere. Entire body organs is decided by blood, so your blood should be perfect. That's why we will tell that if blood cancer will come, no one can cure him, so he should die. Similarly, this Agri Gold is where the plant is getting that blood, it makes that blood strong and quality one. When the blood is strong, automatically from top to bottom, the entire crop will be ultimate strong. I can, like, we can call as a 5-star quality. How the 5-star hotel looks, a good quality and brand. Similarly, our crop looks like that. So that is what how our crop will be grown. And it can be used in sprays and also irrigation. And this is Agri Gold, right? And now, guys, I have just given information. Okay, you may be right, definitely you are in the initial phase, definitely you people will be confused. Arey, what is this gum, what is this growth, what is this fungus? Because some people belongs to the people who belongs to farming place, they are okay. The people who belongs to newly they are witnessing this Agri, they will be confused. For those people purpose, I have created a third thing called how to use this all products for wheat grain crops. I have taken one example, wheat grain, because I have started working in wheat crops only. See, what do you mean by soil preparation? You can find out wherever the people will be taking some tractors and they will be doing this work. This is called soil preparation. That means they will be making the soil equal. Okay, so they will be taking tractors, and you can. This is also one of the disadvantages for farmer. Once upon a time, they used to use that one thing I can call as what I can call in English, I don't know, but in Telugu we can call as araka, right? They used to do with that, right? Two cows will be presented like that, but now they're using tractors. Do you know why they're using tractors? And there are also different types of HPs presented in tractors. What does it mean? I'll tell you. See, why tractors are using, because land fertility is getting more stronger. That means people are not able to do with the two cows and that one, right? Why we are taking tractors means because it will be having high power. See, there itself we are, a farmer is getting understanding that our fertility is getting lost if it grows. Why? Because when chemicals we are using, when we are spraying chemicals on the plants, what happens, it will fall on the plants automatically. What happens, through air it will fall down. When it falls down on the land will become stronger. That stronger means it will become tight. When it becomes tight, the water will not go inside, right? Whatever you're giving that to the land, it won't take inside to the crop. That will be the biggest disadvantage for the crop not to grow. And this is soil preparation. At this point of time, we will be using Agri Granules, Protect, and 82. I will tell you why we are using Agri Granules. These Agri Granules, I have said you, humic, what it will do? The humic acid will make the land's texture will be easy, loose. So that when soil texture will be improved, what happens? Earthworms can be right gone here and there easily, and also water, whatever we are keeping giving for crops, it will go inside the crop, and also it will go for the roots. So that is the agri granules. It will makes water to store there itself, and it makes our land wet for long time. And why protect? I already said you, before harvesting land, it will be having lot of diseases. That diseases will be died in that land only. Initially, when you're giving protect to that land, what happens is that it will kill all the things. It will kill all the previous diseases which are presented in the land, and those things will be get died. Now your land is free of diseases because of using protect. And third thing, agri 82, what it will do, it will boost the work performance of the product what you're using. I can call you, it can be like a wife for everything, right? So husband and a wife both are equal to, then only we'll be calling as a family, right? Even vestige products, wherever you're using, agri 82 is must. Okay, it will be activated, spreader, wetter, and pH value will be balanced. Okay, so this is the first stage of using and the soil preparation. And next thing is that seed sowing. I said you right, people initially to grow the crops, they'll be taking some seeds and they'll be taking and they'll be harvesting some things. So at that point of time we can use agri humic and protect. When seeds are mixed with humic, and when seeds are mixed with this protect, what happens is that seeds will get a immunity power, right? Protect will give some immunity to that power. There will be one layer will be formed. If you're taking, suppose let me think that there is a seed, that means this is a seed, this will be getting an extra protection layer so that it won't be affected with any disease, that the protect will do for that seed. And how the humic will work for that seed, it boosts the thing whatever it requires nutrition, it gives that to that seed, and it will make to go that seed into the soil texture down. When it goes down, the nutrition will be getting to that, and automatically it will be grown. I said you right, complan, you're giving complan at the initial stage only. See, when your age is 25, 30, if you're drinking complan, you can't grow height, right? When the age is there, exactly the growing age, then only you have to give. Initial stage, that is the age where the person can grow, from childhood to I think so 18 years, right? Similarly, this humic will work over there like that. Okay, so there's a second thing. Third thing, growth phase. I said you growth phase, right? When the leaves will be coming a little bit height, okay, maybe a 30 centimeters height, right? 30 centimeter scale, like this is a picture. At this point of time, you can use, this is the start stage of using, you can use agri humic, agri 82, and agri gold. I said you right, at the initial stage it will take very easily. When leaves are in the tiny childhood age, it will be easily taking everything. So when you're giving gold at this point of time, it makes roots stronger, it will makes the entire blood vessels a quality one, so that entire leaves, roots, everything will become strong one, and humic gives the good growth, and 82 makes the performance very well. That's it. And next phase is called reproductive phase. I said you right, flowering. Flowering will occur like this. You can see at the last picture, particularly in wheat grain crops, this is the flowering. You can ask the farmer, when will be the flowering? They'll be telling that in next 1 week, maybe next 15 days or 20 days. You just tell him to remind you before 2 weeks. He will remind you. At that point of time, you have to use agri nanotech moss on 82. I said you right, moss, what it will do, it will give the fertility, and it will make to produce more flowering, and it makes get attached with the plants. And what this nanotech will do, it will give power and strongness to the root, so that the 16 type of nutrition will be sent entire the land. When the entire land is protected with 16 types of nutrition, the crop will be healthy and stronger, right? And again, agri 82 will be using, because to make performance to grow higher. And yielding phase, that means at the last stage, when a crop is going to about to be harvested, at that point of time we can use again agri nanotech gold and agri 82, so that it boosts because crops have become height. So it has at the ending stage, like how we become from childhood to at this age. So at this point of time, anything can happen. So weight was increased, anytime it can be fall. So for that purpose we are giving nanotech to give power to the land, and gold to make entire plant from root to top to bottom to become stronger. Nanotech will make particularly entire land to become stronger, to give a proper nutrition what it does is it require. How we are taking supplements at this age, why we are taking supplements, there are some lack. That's what the thing. Even when the crop grows, there will be some lack of nutrition. That nutrition will be provided by the nanotech, and goal will be making that entire crop stronger from top to bottom, and agree to improve the performance. That's it. So this is a type of using the products. And after using results of agri products, you can see here outside products we have used. See that crop how it was. It's look like normal. See the same time we have taken another crop. We have used our Vestige agri products. Just we have used agri granules and agri 82 and Protect. And the right side one, it doesn't have any disease. And right side one, it is having good growth. You can observe here. And it was a greener, and right side one was very healthy, and left side one it was not used, so that's why it was very weaker. It was diseased, and the crop was very less. Leaves are very less. When leaves are very less, automatically it gives less output. And you can observe that the greenery also, like left side one greenery was little less, right side one greenery was more. Why? Because when water will not go to certain crop properly, automatically the greenery will be losing. Why water will not grow to crop means, I said you right, land was very much stronger because of these chemicals. That is the reason why water is not going to that crop. But when we are using agri granules, it makes that water to grow to that particular crop, so that the crop will get water. When the water will get by crop, the crop will become greener. That's the more greener it will be, the more photosynthesis will be absorbed from the sunlight, right? When the more photosynthesis will be taken from the sunlight, the crop will be very much healthier. How the D vitamin works for the body of us, similarly to the plant, right? This is the 7 days difference in the organic farming. And next, now agribusiness, how it works. Cost effect per acre. Guys, generally every person, you can go and ask the farmer who are using, you can ask them how much it will take for 1 acre. They'll tell 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, not less than 10,000, more than 10,000 only. But you know what? If you use all our agri products perfectly with high amount of thing also, the more cost will be 7,605 rupees only. I said you right. Initially, we will be using Agri 82, Agri Granules, Agri Humic, and Agri Protect. 2 times we are using, so that I told I have made a 2 packets cost. And Agri Moss, there is a 100 ml bottles. We require 3 according to the dosage I have calculated. And Agri Gold 2 times we are using. According to that, we require 3 packets. And Agri Nanotech, 1 packet is enough for 2 times. So this will be the cost effect. The total cost effect will be 7,605 rupees. With just 7,605 rupees only, farmer will get from the starting to ending entire the crop. And I can definitely guarantee you that when the person is using from the starting to ending all the products, I'm telling you the best, the result will be a minimum 5% to 20% more compared to the previous thing. And it's an organic. And now I will tell you how our products are made up of. Our products are made up of similarly with, I want to tell you that vermicompost. You can just go and type in Google vermicompost, vermicompost. Vermicompost. Know about it. Vermicompost is nothing but 50 years back, when these chemicals are not there in the market, at that point of time vermicompost is used by the farmers. That is the old method of farming. But nowadays that vermicompost is not used by any farmer. What does it mean, vermicompost? Right? You can they will be taking all the plants and everything, they will be stored at one place, and they will be stored for a long time. And with that they will prepare one urea, and then you will be using that crop. But nowadays they are not doing that, because it takes a lot of time. It takes some extra requirement of land. So that is the thing, every farmer is not coming forward over there. Our products is made up of with that only, but we are getting in ready made. That's it. That is what. And don't worry and don't get feared of that, because when I was promoting first time to the agri products, I was fearing that, if something happens, what happens? These people will throw me in jail. I thought, guys, I'm telling you, this will doesn't affect you anything. If you're using correct dosage, it will never affect you. 100,000% guarantee I can give you. No more effect, because I am the person who is very new to this agriculture. And you know what, today 100 acres of the people, in last 2 months 100 acres of people are using agri products because of my suggestions. And do you know what, I am very new to this agri. And do you know what, and no one was known farmer. I don't know anyone, everyone was stranger for me. I just went to their village and I just told them I am so and so person coming from the so and so company. They said, wow, so what? I said them that this is the thing, if you can use this, it will be like this. So they didn't listen. And you know what I have done? I will tell you everyone how to approach a farmer. Guys, don't sit in online and promote online agriculture products. It never works. Because in entire lockdown, I have done that only. It never worked. I didn't do at least 100 PV in agri products. But you know what? Once I, after visiting the agri land, farming land, I have done more than 3,000 to 4,000 PVs over there. 3,000 to 4,000 PVs in just 1.5 months. And I am very new to agriculture. That means I'm a baby in agriculture. Being a baby in agriculture in just 1.5 months, I have done 4,000 PVs. Just imagine. So what does it mean? And I didn't go to the farmer who knows me. I went to the farmer who is a stranger. I'll tell you how I approached, and you can do the same. When you're approaching the farmer, wear a good attire. Go in either jeans pant and vestige t-shirt, or else go in white shirt, black pant, tie. If you're approaching in this manner, farmer will think that you are something officer, you are some educated person. Okay, go in a good attire over there. Go there and tell them you are from, so go with some visiting card. Definitely he'll ask your number, and he can't save and he can't remember your number. Go with visiting card. Prepare some visiting cards about you, so and so person, so and so name, your level, and you can prepare all these things, and you can visit over there. You visit over there and you just tell him, I'm so and so person, I'm coming from so and so company, we are promoting organic farming. As people are using more chemicals, lands are getting fertile, lands fertility is getting gone, and many farmers are not getting a proper output, and I am here to promote organic farming. And this thing, go and educate about the product. Don't tell them to buy the product. Educate about the product, how this agri granules will work for your crop, how this agri humic will work for your crop, how this product will work for your crop. Moss, go like that. Tell the benefits, how it's going to benefit him through his crop. If you tell him now, some people will tell, okay, I want to use. And some people now, they will tell, I don't want to use. The people who are don't want to use, tell them, sir, use for at least 1 acre. You're not going to lose anymore. And 1 acre, right? If you are ready to use, you can use for 1 acre. I'm telling you, if they see this now. And I'm telling you again, if you're going to one village, you need not to promote for every farmer. Just pick up one farmer, do for 1 acre is more than enough. If you're doing this month 1 acre, I'm telling you, next time when the season comes, when they are taking the crop, entire village will buy from you only. That means, not for 1 acre, every village will be consist of minimum to minimum 200 acres of crops. 200 acres of purchase will be done. Just imagine, for 1 acre, if the cost is 253 PV, just imagine if 200 acres they are buying, 200 into 253 PV, how much? 200 into 253 PV, just imagine. So it was around 5,000, almost 1 LOB. 1 LOB will be done in next season. I'm telling you, just if you want to work in agriculture business only, I'll tell you one thing. See, similar, it's a simple example. If you're from rural villages, just I'll tell you, go to a village, approach a number of farmers, give clarity. Don't convince anyone, give clarity, and try to use at least for 1 acre. 1 acre is enough. Get satisfied. Don't be greedy over there. Just promote for 1 acre and come, and go to next village and promote there for 1 acre and come, and go to next village. Like that, go for 6 villages. 6 villages, one, 6 legs you open. Everywhere 1 acre, enough, right? Just examine, visit the farming land. Don't go and promote and come and don't forget about it. After giving your product, what you need to do is that for every 2 weeks, you just visit the land and you just see how it grows. And when you're going for every 2 weeks, just take your upline over there and introduce that your upline to your farmer. What happens, what does he feels? He'll get a trust over there. This person is coming again and again. That means our crop will be very good. I can believe him. Once he get that belief now, he will tell you that next time I am the person who will be getting all the things here. So show that result. The results will speak and results will get all the things. You need not to convince with the words. You have to make him to get clarity through your results. That's what. If one acre will work properly in one village for this season, next season I can guarantee you that you will get one LOB from that one lakh. That means one village. Just think, every year 2 times the crops will be taken. That means 2 months ka LOB simply you will be getting, and that can be spreaded all over the villages like that, and you can show that results to that places. This is how you need to work in agri business. Lot of patience is required, commitment is required, hard work is required, your presence is required. If you are sitting in home, if you are promoting online, it doesn't works. And if you're greedy about it, I'm telling you again, you're going to fail. Being a greedy, you can generate PVs. I'm telling you, if you're going with greedy, you will get PVs for 1 month, 2 months. If you want permanent PVs and more PVs, then be patient. Slowly, perfectly examine and give him a best result, then definitely entire village will come and buy from you only and permanently. That is how you can do this agri business over there. And now any questions if you have, you can just message over the in the chat box. And here today, thank you farmer. I'll be sharing this PPT in the group. So director Sanaburo, you'll be getting from your directors. And what are the ingredients? 1 minute. I'll come from top to bottom. It was getting recorded only. Can you repeat earthworm thing again? Sir, actually earthworm, what does it will do? I'll tell you, see. The earthworm, why earthworms should be presented in the lands? I'll tell you, see. When earthworms are presented in the lands, the urine of the earthworm will give lot of fertility to the crop. Right? When earthworm urine, it will excrete it urine, that urine is very much benefit to the crop. And you know what? If you want to prove that farmer is using urea, right? They will be using some urea. If you want to prove that farmer by using this urea, your crop is going to be destroyed. If you tell him, he will not believe, right? What do you need to tell him? Take some urea in your hands, take one earthworm and keep it on that urea. Within 5 minutes, that earthworm will get died. And you can tell him, see sir, earthworm is getting died because of your urea. If this happens, that is why crop is not growing proper. Then definitely he will believe you. Go with knowledge. And again, I'm telling you, if you doesn't have knowledge, don't ask there in front of the farmer only. Don't ask doubts by calling to your upline or anyone. Just be cool and think, okay, I'll tell you later. I'll call you by tonight and I'll tell you. Don't be there. Once you go there and you're calling to your upline, sir, I got this doubt like this. What happens? Farmer will get doubt that you don't know nothing. If he get that, even though result is that, he won't believe you and he will use. So that is one more thing. Okay. So fungus causing bacteria is pathogen. Yes, pathogen means set to Google anything. I'll send this PDF to my field for grass comes. So please recommend the best product. I said you right, guys. Grass has came, like it was an initial stage. You can use Agri Humic and 82. It will work very well. Yes, Pluff. Sorry. Thanks for your advice. Voice is not clear. Yes, you can mix the other chemical products also. See guys, initially only, I'll tell you, initially only don't recommend that stop using your chemical products, start using our agri products. Don't tell that, don't do that. What you need to do is that whatever they're using agri products, tell them to use that, but tell them to decrease a 25% to 30% of usage of that. Suppose let me think that they were using for 1 acre 50 kg urea will be used by every farmer. What you need to do is that you need to tell them to decrease the 30% of usage. That means in 50 kgs, tell them to remove 15 kgs of urea. In the 15 kgs place, you add agri granules of 5 kg, 5 kg to 8 kg. The best results, if you want, you can add 2 bags. That means 10 kg. If you add, you will get a best result. If you use 5 kg also, it's okay, fine. You will get a fine result. So that is how. Don't tell stop your total products, start using all our products. Okay, step by step, step by step. Okay. Side away which you shown each and everyone. Can you please share that slides? Yeah, I'll share you. Yes, sorry guys, 8605. Okay, amazing. Yeah, even though you will be using 8,000 rupees, you will be getting Agri Humic and Agri 82 free. If you buy for 5,000 rupees agri products, you will get agri humic free. If you buy for 2,500 products, you will get agri 82 free. That means almost 1,000 rupees you are going to save over there. That means it will not be 8605, it will be 7605. Okay, you can just go through with agri schemes which was provided in every month starting. Vermicompost, yes, you can just Google it and you can just go through YouTube, you will be getting all the things. And again, I want to tell you one more thing, guys. Whatever the chemicals, even you can see the TEDx talks, the farmers, whatever they're using chemicals, 95% of the chemical will be mixed in the water, only 5% will work on the, will show the impact on the crop. Remaining 95% will be mixed in the water, and that water will be given to that crop only, and that crop is getting damaged with all the things. When chemicals will be using, what happens? When chemicals will be using, the nutrition will be died. Crop will not grow with a good health. When it is not having good health, it will give bad output. That bad output we are taking and we are losing our health. That is what how we are losing the nutrition in the things. I'll share you this recording also. Many people asking my PV, yeah, number. Sir, I have recorded this. Many people, some people have network issues. You can just go on to listen to that. What are the ingredients present in Agri 2? There is no ingredients present in Agri 2. It's just like a gum. So it will be like just it will be attached, spreader, wetter. That's it. Okay, nothing ingredients will be present in Agri 82. And remaining ingredients I have mentioned over there. Whichever the product I didn't mention ingredients, or product I didn't mention over there. I don't know exact ingredients present over there, so I didn't mention over there. So we invest on agri products. Sir, if the situation comes, maximum farmer will invest. If farmer is not ready to invest, like he may tell that I won't invest, you only take 1 acre and you show me the result. If you show the result, we will take the products. If that situation comes, dare and proceed. Because why means I'll tell you. Recently, in one place, we have given for one farmer, we have taken a half acre and we have provided. And now I shown you the result, right? That is the crop. And now you know what we invested over there. That means we have invested around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. I mean half. Still we need to invest. Okay. You know what? By seeing that, now 150 acres of people are coming to us and they are asking, sir, we want the order. In next month after Sankranti, we are going to cultivate the land. Tell me what to purchase. So we told that so also product should purchase. Okay, sir, we'll be ready with the money by next month. You just give me 150 acres single shot. They are going to purchase next month. Just think. If you're seeing about 3,000, 4,000 from your pocket, then don't think about 30, 40,000. Yeah, no problem. Even though you're not getting, you're helping a farmer. What is that? So helping farmers is like helping like a god. Okay, he's feeding everyone. Help him, na? Right? We are earning a lot of money here. We are into the business. We are earning lakhs of money. We are going to earn lakhs. We are earning thousands. So don't worry. It's like everyone you need to do repurchase, right? Do repurchase of agri products and give him, and he will give you. Definitely, he will definitely help you. Right? If he gets a good result, definitely he'll get a good result. I 100% guarantee after using agri products, they will see a massive change in the results. Guys, everyone was asking my number. Yes, I can give, but many people are calling me a lot, so it was get confused. But sure, I'll reply you through Insta. Right, Munishekar 1316. Right, MUNI Muni underscore SEKHAR Shaker 1316 underscore again 1316. You can just connect me over there. What are you down? You're hanged out. You just connect me over there. You just ask me over there. I'll definitely help you out. Right. For rose flower to boost rose production and increase shelf life. Rose means like it's a rose plant. I mean like flower only, right? If it is a flower, just use agri moss. It will give a lot of flowering. When we use agri protect agri gold and 82 after 20 days of crop for root immunity. Yes, sir, you can use. I'm telling you again, guys. Once you should get experience for 1-2 months. After 2 months, what you'll get to know. If you use our agri products before and after and before also, nothing will happen. You'll get a good results only. I can guarantee that. However you use also, you'll get good results. Don't worry about that. But try to go in a systematic manner. See, when you are a child, you're taking Cerelac. When you are at 18, you are taking a dum biryani. You're not taking dum biryani at the childhood and Cerelac at 18, right? So go with a systematic manner. When crop requires growth, give humic. When crop requires immunity, give protect. When crop requires strong root, give nanotech and gold. Right? This is not how you need to give. You need to understand like plant is also like a human being only, but it we cannot see it's like a human being. That's it. Okay, it is also having a blood and nutrition, everything is required. NKP chemical only used in this field also. Then I don't know about NKP. Guys, I'll be providing a. I'm not an official trainer. I just got experience in last 2 months, and I got a good results. And lot of purchase 4,000 previous has done through Agri only. So it's my experience I just shared. You can, what are you having doubts? I'll be sharing at last. Agri official trainer of our company Vestige, Manish works there. You can ask him. You can text him at any point of time. He'll help you out at any point of time. Okay. Um, Vermicompost is one of the oldest method, yes, but it's the one and only fine method for crops, because vermicompost is the best method to can we can do that. Now why we are getting urea on all these things is that because government should get benefit over there. That is the thing. That's it. Government is having a lot of urea because they don't want to waste that. They want to convert as a profit. That's the reason why we are getting urea for less cost, and indirectly that is losing our crop fertility, and also in future farmer can't cultivate the crops over there. So that is one more big problem. You know what, these problems all will known by farmers only, but there is no person was there to tell him about organic farming. That is the reason people are not coming forward. Just go and tell him that we are came to promote organic farming, right? We will help you out, we will try it out, just use this, right? But before approaching farmer, know about vermicompost and go and approach with good attire, then only your meeting will get succeeded. Without these two, you'll get failed again. For paddy, what the pesticides do? I don't know what about pesticides and all these things. If you ask about agri products, I can tell you. Can we use Protect 80 to 20 days for crop immunity? Yes, you can. I'll post this YouTube one in YouTube also. So you said 6% in humic liquid and 1.5% in made inorganic shop, and I said humic 95% humic is there. Clear me about right humic. Sir, it's not about humic percentage this much is required. We should be clear in the humic percentage that how much percentage is getting to the plant, right? Everyone will tell that we are having this much of percentage, this much of percentage. It's not about the percentage. It's all about that how much percentage is the crop is getting. That matters a lot. Okay, if he tells like that, so we are having 95% all these things. Okay, sir, you are telling that use that for this crop, for that 95% humic one. Use this 6% humic one for this, and also more amount of humic also. Again, it will make you to cause land to lose the fertility. That is also second disadvantage. How different is our agri humic from outside? Is there any product to decrease our prevent? Weeds, I don't know. Pathinium weeds, like yes, it's a weeds like a herbicide. You can use. There is no nothing like that. Like what are the product you are using chemicals? See, guys, for insects and all these weedicides, weeds and all these things, you have to use outside products only. Along with that, you have to use Agri 82. That's it. I'm telling you again, ours no, we don't have products anything to cure the diseases. We are having the products to not to get a disease and to grow properly healthily. I can tell you it's simply how the health supplement will work for a human body. Similarly, our agri products will work on the plants too. It's like a health supplement to the plant. I don't know about this NKP chemical. I'm sorry about that. You can ask Manish Wak, sir. How did you select a village and to find a farmer to particular land? I'll tell you simple. See, I just we on the scooty, me and my one of my friend go along with your any of the good friend. I mean, like a good partner who is in the business. You and that person, me and my one of my silver data Vasanji, we both have taken a scooty and we are traveling over there. Right? We just I like airport. We are having airport, Tirupati airport. In front of the Tirupati airport, There was a lot of lands. We just visited there. There was one of the person who is sitting over there and doing that. We just went to there and we just talked with that person like how we will talk our grandpa like that only. I talked with that person. He just connected with that. You just go and experience. 100 kg of chemical and 20 kg of our granules. Definitely it will work, sir. Kishore, sir, for potato. So there will be making big chemicals. So, okay, you people are asking that NKP chemical is used in this fertilizer. How tell you this? It's an organic fertilizer. So, in depth, you need to ask Manish Wak sir only again. So, I tested human granules and not dissolved in water first. Can you please explain how it works and provide nutrients to crop? Yes, it will take agri-humic granules. It will take a 2 weeks time. I mean, like 15 to 20 days of time to get dissolved and get properly to the crop. Even I got this doubt because for 14 days, I said 2 weeks. One farmer called me in 2 weeks. You said that no result has occurred. Sir, wait for one more week. So he waited and he got a result. So sometimes it will. Sometimes I'm telling you again, it depends on the land also. Everywhere land will not be similar. In every place, in every village, there will be different types of land. According to the land, even the dosages will be changed, products will be changed. That also you need to remember. That means that's what I'm telling you. Don't go starting only to a high acres of lands. Go with limit, get experience, visit the lands, get knowledge from the farmer, know about their soil and the land's fertility and all these things. Slowly, you get develop your mind. Agriculture is not just if you get training, you have to visit and you need to get spend time over there. I visited every day for 3 to 4 hours for agri. So that is the reason how I learned about it. Okay, thank you. Should suggest for fungus. So for any type of fungus, you can use Protect and 82. And even if already fungus is attacked, it is in initial stage, then only our product should be used. If it is in high stage, don't use our product. Our product will not work when it is in high stage. When it is in initial stage of the crop, that fungus, then only it will work. That also you remember. Before attacking fungus, we can use our product happily. After attacking fungus, you just need to know that it is in initial stage and high stage. If it is in initial stage, then only use Protect. If it is not in initial stage, don't use our Protect. If you use also, there will be no result. That's what. Only agri products use చేయొచ్చు. Yes, ma'am, మన agri products ఒకటే కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు, కానీ it depends. రైట్, మంచిగా రిజల్ట్ కూడా వస్తుంది మన అగ్రి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఒకటే, కానీ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫార్మర్స్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయరు. Spray should be used while spraying. Often, yes, sure. Like every month, I will be doing agri training. Don't worry about that, guys. I will be taking that. What would I have found in sir? Gold. I didn't get your question, Prakash. So can mix our products and chemicals and starting. Yes, we can mix our products in chemicals too. When you are mixing in chemicals, decrease the usage of chemicals 25% to 30%. Then use our product because it will decrease the cost effect. Any side effects after using, nothing side effects will be occurred through our product. Just be strict with dosages. That's enough. We should do replace for drip fertilizer for tomato. So for drip fertilizers, drip irrigations, you can use according to the irrigation dosages. One more time, repeat slides. I'll give this PDF PPT. Okay, you can just go get through that. Some agriculture labor tool don't promote this. If so, put you in jail. So if someone AO officer is doing that type of thing, just go with contact with your senior upline and just tell to that problem in detail so that he will talk to that particular, he will get to know the exact situation. Because Pawan, you have just given me this thing that you got a problem but I don't know in detail. Okay, better contact your senior upline. I think so. From Kramam means I think so. Jagdish sir is holding over there. You can contact Jagdish sir. He will help you out over there. If not, text me in Instagram. I'll give his number. Ask what we have been found in agri code. I didn't get this question, Prakash. People ask what would have been found in agri gold. I didn't this question. Guys, if you're not using from initially also, you can go within middle stage also. Nothing will problem. It's not that you need to use from the starting stage only. You can enter in middle stage also. You can also use the products. Nothing will be a problem. How will we getting to know fungus has occurred or not? If fungus has occurred, the layer will be like the plant will be right. The leaf will be turned into the white color, and you can ask the farmer also, right? Is the fungus has attacked or not? He will show you. Okay, you can just go and Google it over there. So the leaf will be, and leaf at the top it will be in white color or in red color, right? That is how you will be getting to know fungus is attacked. Rice seeds, how many days? I didn't get this question, ma'am. You can ask me personally again. I repeat, I'll take screenshot. Which slide, Hari Krishna? I need to repeat. Whatever the product you're using, it will take 15 to 20 days to see the results, right? Maybe in 7 days sometimes. It depends on the places. Again, I'm telling you, right? It depends on the soil, right? In some places, you in 7 days you can see the results. In some places, in 2 weeks. In some places, in 3 weeks. But maximum is within 3 weeks. You can see the difference. A minimum is minimum 7 days. That's what how you will be seeing the results. It's not slow result. That's what I'm telling you, right? Tell the farmer, if they tell that organic is a slow result, yes, it's slow result, but initial I'm not telling you that from starting itself use totally our products only. Use your product, parallelly you use this product, it will just change the system. Okay, tell them it's not a slow, it will work accordingly how your chemicals are working accordingly. Just see the result. If you like the result, next time, see, simple, tell the farmer that first time tell him to decrease the 25% of chemicals in that place, tell him to use our product. See, tell him to see the result. If he is satisfied, next time tell him to decrease 50% of the chemicals, and in the remaining 50% place tell him to use our product. This is the second time. And third time tell him to use a 25% only chemicals, 75% of our products. And fourth time totally our products. The fourth time he can use totally our products to get totally converted into the organic to see the fast results when you are using total our products only. So this is the thing, step by step, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, like that you need to decrease the products. Only product is getting late. I mean, like, deliver. uh, you can retail initially. Once a farmer, you can tell him that, sir, if you can tell to the farmer, if you are ready to use our agri products, we are going to, our company is going to, the people who are coming and converting to the organic farming, for all those people company is going to give extra benefits. So they are going to give some free products, some cashback and all. Like this you tell, and tell him collect other from him, and there will be no registration process. It will be free registration for you. You can tell him and you can register the farmer. Guys, again telling you, don't tell directly DP prices. If you tell DP prices, what happens, he will definitely ask you to decrease the price. Tell him MRP. If he asks you to decrease, if suppose, let me think that agri granules is there. If some farmer is asking me, sir, how much is the cost? 700 rupees, sir. Sir, too much cost. Okay, sir, you are ready to use now. I'll give for 600 rupees only. Take it. Even though if he tells that 600 rupees is cost now, how much ever performance bonus you will be getting with that 20 PV, tell him that that will be also decreased. Like that, you need to go step by step. Don't tell directly DP price only, because every farmer, if you tell one price now, definitely he'll ask you to decrease that. So better tell MRP. If you decrease the DP, then he will be satisfied and he will be purchased, because you valued his word. That is how you need to convert the sale there. Humic liquid gold protect 82. If you are using gold, I think so protect is not required, my dear friend. Protect Humic 82 mixed in spray. It's a bit cheeky. Yes, Protect Humic 82 is the best combination. You can work, or else you can use separately Protect also separately. If you're using starting, give Protect 82 separately and Humic 82 separately. If not, Protect Humic 82 together. And for some people, some farmers will be getting one more doubt that, sir, like we are having, we can't spray separately chemicals and separately your products. We will be having a problem of labors. Then tell him that just mix with the, tell him to take the water and take our humic and 82. Suppose they are ready to use humic and 82, tell him to mix the water with the humic and 82. Take one pot and tell him to keep one hole and leave it. They will be giving some water to the crops and tell them to keep in that place. I'll show you the video just a minute. I'm not having any YouTube channel. You can just follow VDT Vestige Dream Team channel only. I'll be updating over there this training. Nanotech can be sprayed or do drenching. It can be sprayed. It can be drenched anyhow. 1 minute. I'll show you one thing. Sorry guys, I didn't find that video. Okay, if you're having any, if any farmer tells you that labor problem, you can just message me over there in Instagram. I'll tell you another process so that you can tell that process to them, so that there will be no labor problem for them. So that is all. So I'll be sharing you this PPT. Okay, you can just go through with that. And if you have any doubts, you can just connect me in Munishekar1316 in Instagram. You can text me over there. I'll help you out. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for this. Thank you giving for me wonderful opportunity. And the granules 5 kg per acre is okay. Okay, 5 kg per acre is okay. Okay, if you give 10 kg, it's better. Good results can be observed. 5 kg also can be observed. It depends on the land. Again, I said right. If any type of land, if you give 10 kg, perfect pakka result. Okay, so that's what guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So many people was listening from me. Wow, that's 1 hour per acre, 20 kg. 20 kg also you can give. It's okay if farmer is ready to invest, right? The maximum you can give per acre is 25 kgs granules if he's ready to use. No urea is required if he is using 25 kg. If you are making him to increase the agri granules, tell him to decrease the urea. That's enough. Okay, but I suggest you go with less investment. That will be the better. Don't go starting only with high amount of, because in village there will be some people who can afford more, who can afford less. Show him in less amount a good result, so that everyone, every farmer will come forward. It's not that your motto is not getting one farmer, your motto is getting entire village. That means you need to see the poor and reach everyone. In village, the people who are rich, they are ready to invest more money, but the people who are poor, they are not ready, right? So you require everyone. So you need to satisfy everyone. Better go with less amount, try to give a good result. That's what I suggest you people. Okay. If you want to use again and again also, you can use granules. One time is also enough. If one time also if you use, you'll get a good result. If you want to use again and again, you can use granules. It is also totally depend on the farmer. If he's ready to use, you can give. So that's what. So yes, thank you guys. Thanks for this wonderful session and for following me in chili and capsicum what to use the murta. Yes, for that chili you can use Protect and 82 once and Humic Nanotech 82 in second spray. First spray is Protect and 82 and give 2 weeks gap or else 1 week gap, and then use Agri 82, Humic and Nanotech. That is the second spray. Share recording. Yeah, I'll share this recording too. Drip or spray for better results. Drip is the better. It will give good results if they are having drip. So for paddy, what we should use? That is for paddy wheat is similar, ma'am. Like I have shown you right in the PPT, whatever I given, that is for paddy only. In that paddy, whatever the recommendation I have given, you can give that. Okay. And if you have people any doubts, if you're having, just connect me in Munishekar1316 in Instagram. I'll help you out over there. I'll send you the videos, whatever you want. I'll help you out over there. Okay. And I'll be sharing the number of trainer. Just a minute. Just write down this number. The trainer number is 742879052. This is one number, and there is another number also, 92060060009. So this is one more number. One is WhatsApp number, one you can call to that person. He will help you out at any point of time, and he is an official Vestige Agri trainer. He will help you out. He is familiar with Hindi and English. You can talk with him and you can ask him any details. I am the person just got experience. I have shared my knowledge, and you can. He is the official trainer. He knows about every product, each and everything, and you can talk with him also. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Instagram. Okay, his name is Manish Works. You can call him Manish sir. I'll mention this phone number in PPT too, and I'll send him because maybe some people have missed, right? I'll be sending this in directors and above group. You can collect this PPT from your directors and above, and you can take it out. Thank you guys. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity and try to implement in better way. All the best for you all. Help the farmer, help yourself, and grow well. All the best for you all. See you next time in a good things, and hope everyone should grow well and have a great day and advance happy new year and belated Merry Christmas. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So sure. Bye bye. So 5 kg granules and the DAP reduce CLI. You can reduce 15%. I mean like 15 to 20%. I mean like 25 to 25%. Okay. So yes, yes guys. See you.